Good morning, English 9 students. I hope you got good rest last night and now you are ready to do some work this morning and work on your paragraphs. So I just want to go over your Google Doc and make sure that you have everything done that needs to be done when you finish tomorrow's day of school, because then I will grade it Friday night and give you points in PowerSchool. So if you need to pause here for a minute, you can pause it and open up your Google Doc so that you can see your Google Doc while you are watching me on the screen. If you don't know how to do both, what you do is go up to the corner of your screen, the upper right hand corner. There's an X in the very top corner. You don't want to click on the X, that will close the screen, but the one next to it looks like a box, a square. Click on that and then your screen will just go to half size, and then do that to my video and go half size. You can have the video playing and your document so you can see what we're doing as I'm talking through it, okay? So pause here if you need to get that ready. So here is what you should have done before tomorrow night when I give you points. So on Monday, you wrote a sentence about one good thing and one bad thing from quarantine. And then you should have filled in these sentences where there was blank. A blank here, you need to put in what kind of sentence is it? Is it topic, conclusion, or detail supporting sentences? And then you should have clicked on this Google form to show me if you understand what order sentences go in when you write a paragraph. So that was Monday's work. On Tuesday, you needed to write 2 paragraphs. And remember, a paragraph is at least 5 sentences. So check your 2 paragraphs here. There was one that was the good part of isolation or quarantine, being home alone. And then the second paragraph was what was not good about being home all that time for 5 months. And make sure, here's the checklist, that you have a topic sentence, 3 or more detail sentences, a conclusion sentence. And then make sure that your sentences are good with a subject and a verb and periods at the end, so I know where your sentences stop. That was Tuesday's work. Oops, sorry, too far. Wednesday, we started off and you wrote another paragraph. We're working hard on paragraphs this week to make sure you can do them well. This paragraph was about school uniforms. And if you think school uniforms are good or school uniforms are no good. And so that would be your topic sentence. School uniforms are good for students, or school uniforms are not a good idea. And then I need at least 3 reasons why, 3 details that tell me why you think that is a good idea or not a good idea to have students wear uniforms. And then don't forget the conclusion sentence. So that should go there. The paragraph group work, I don't think most groups had time to do more than maybe problem A. So if you got problem A done, that's good. If we have time tomorrow, we'll go back and do these other ones that you were supposed to do with your group, but we didn't have time for. Now today, this new work for today, we are not meeting today on Zoom. On Tuesday and Thursday mornings, you work in your home, okay? So first, there's a video for you to watch about how to make your paragraphs more interesting. And then you are going to practice that. It says, read this paragraph. Can you make it more interesting using the 2 tips in the video? The first tip was to combine sentences. So some sentences are short and some sentences are long. That just makes it more interesting to read. And the second tip was to use transition words. First, next, later, then, finally, also, that kind of thing. So here's the paragraph I'm asking you to fix. My dream is to travel to France. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. I want to see the Louvre. I want to eat croissants. I want to visit my family there. Going to France would be a dream come true. So I've got there everything I need. I've got the topic sentence. I've got details or supporting sentences that say why I want to go to France. And then I have my conclusion sentence. But the problem is, do you see how everything's the same? I want, I want, I want, I want. That's really boring, right? So could you maybe combine one of those to make one longer sentence? Or could you use transition words to make it more interesting? And that way it won't sound so repetitive. I want, I want, I want. And then after you have made that better, you get to practice writing your own paragraph that's more interesting. So not I want, I want, I want, something interesting about a place that you dream of traveling to. So where would you like to go? Write a paragraph about that. Use sentence variety and transition words to make your paragraph interesting. So you can type your paragraph right there. Maybe hit enter and then start your paragraph there. Okay? So that's the work for today. Catch up on anything that is missing from this week and then go ahead and do today's work. And then tomorrow we'll do some more work with your groups to try to fix some more sentences. Okay? So fix some more paragraphs, make them better. That's our focus this week, is really trying to figure out how to write good paragraphs, because we're going to do a lot of writing in English 9, and I want to make sure that you know how to write a good paragraph. Okay? That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I can open up the Zoom room if you want to talk through anything, and hopefully you'll get all that done so you're ready on Friday when I give you points. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.